how to make lip sync videos, best practices, and AI tools to get you started. There are 8 billion people worldwide, yet only 1.5 billion speak English. As a business owner or content creator in 2025, one of your primary goals is to increase your audience reach and engagement. How to lip sync a video? It's pretty simple, actually. One easy way is to lip sync your video content. Lip sync is gradually working its way across industries, creating an opportunity to communicate and disseminate information to billions of people across diverse cultures and languages. Today, we will dive into lip sync, how to make lip sync video, the best lip sync AI tools to automate the process, and the best practices for syncing videos. What is lip sync? In simple terms, lip sync is the movement of the lips to a pre-recorded audio. The goal is to match the lip movement in the new video to the audio in the original one. Lip sync AI technology is used to translate the words of an original speaker into a different language using AI. The work of AI tools in this is to accelerate the process, making the synchronization seamless and authentic to viewers. The beauty of lip sync technology is that you can speak multiple languages with a click on your device. This means you can expand your reach to a wider audience who may be interested in your content. How to make a lip sync video. To create a perfect lip sync video, you must consider the following factors. Timing. Precision in timing enhances the realism of the performance, ensuring that the lip movements closely match the corresponding sounds and emotional elements of the audio track. Facial expression. It's important to pay attention to facial expressions and body language to convey the appropriate emotion and energy in your performance. Expressiveness and authenticity are key to creating a captivating and engaging lip sync video that resonates with viewers. Voice match. The lip syncing voice must match the authentic one to create a perfect blend of sound and synchronization. You can use one of the best lip sync AI tools, like Rask AI, to automate your lip syncing content and create a seamless experience. Manual versus automated synchronization. There are two major ways to go about lip syncing your audio and video content. Manual sync. Manual synchronization involves manually adjusting the timing of your lip movements to match the audio track. The most commonly used method is the hand clapping method. Clap your hands once on camera before you start recording. The time-consuming nature of this method makes most creators rely on automated versions. Auto sync. Video lip sync AI tools automatically analyze the audio track and generate lip movements. You could use AI lip sync video tools like Rask AI to do the heavy lifting, using machine learning and AI technology. How to do lip sync video with Rask AI. Upload or select the audio and video files. Check video compatibility with the lip sync feature. Select your language of choice. Toggle the lip sync icon. Export and download your video file. Your automated lip sync video AI will be ready in minutes. The feature can sync more than 2 hours of video content. Best AI tools for lip sync. Rask AI. When it comes to how to lip sync a video, having the right AI tools makes all the difference. Rask AI Lip Sync is an artificial intelligence tool that specializes in video dubbing and localization. With cost-effective tools for lip sync video making, dubbing, voice cloning, and localization available in over 130 languages, Rask AI has become a game changer for creators worldwide. Since its launch in April 2023, Rask AI has empowered over 1.5 million users to use lip syncing and voice cloning to reach audiences around the globe. Rask AI can seamlessly translate audio or video into over 130 languages without production glitches. Additionally, Rask AI's voice cloning feature supports up to 28 languages, allowing creators to preserve the original voice while dubbing or localizing content. Pros: bridges communication gaps and language barriers for billions worldwide. Custom options for fine-tuning pitch and tone. Handles complex language structures with precision. You can automate your video content's translation for as low as $1 per minute using Rask AI. Other top tools: DeepDub. Features include lip movement and timing sync control, cultural and linguistic adaptation, and transcription in 80+ languages. Resemble AI creates human-like voices in seconds, with extensive customization options for pitch, tone, and emotion. Flexi online video lip sync maker with powerful tools for trimming, editing, transcription, and auto subtitles. Why you should be using a lip sync tool? Seamless integration of audio and videos. You can enhance video quality when you trust a powerful tool that delivers results in a fraction of the time it takes manually. Use a lip sync video maker to fast-track the process, enhancing the overall quality. The main reason for syncing audio and video is to ensure sound and visual elements align while giving content a professional look. The goal is ensuring viewers cannot detect dubbing while consuming content. Video localization. AI lip sync video tools help in video localization by ensuring audio and visual elements are synchronized seamlessly, regardless of the language being spoken. This helps creators reach global audiences effectively. Using Rask AI for lip syncing. How to make a lip sync video with Rask AI in 5 steps. Step 1. Upload your video via link from YouTube, Google Drive, or directly from your device. Step 2. Choose the target language and click Translate. Step 3. Ensure faces in the video are visible with clear lighting and no shadows. Step 4. To check if your video is compatible, click Lip Sync Check. Step 5. Tap Lip Sync to clone the video. Voice cloning. Voice cloning involves analyzing and mimicking unique characteristics of a person's voice with accuracy. It can translate a speaker's voice into 28 major languages while retaining authenticity. The multi-speaker lip sync feature. Rask AI's multi-speaker feature automatically analyzes audio tracks and identifies different speakers. It uses advanced voice cloning technology to replicate each speaker's voice in the selected language with remarkable accuracy, while ensuring lip movements align with the translated language. Rask AI Shorts. Use Rask Shorts to repurpose existing videos with AI, creating viral clips for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Final thoughts. AI technology stands out as a game changer in video content creation. By mastering how to lip sync and harnessing the capabilities of top lip syncing apps like Rask AI, creators can unlock creative possibilities and expand their reach to wider audiences like never before. As we continue to embrace AI in video content creation in 2025, the future holds boundless opportunities for creators to innovate, inspire, and connect with global audiences.